I'm Kennedy with the SAT question of the day. The question is, when a scientist dives in salt water to a depth of 9 feet below the surface, the pressure due to the atmosphere and surrounding water is 18.7 pounds per square inch. As the scientist descends, the pressure increases linearly. At a depth of 14 feet, the pressure is 20.9 pounds per square inch. If the pressure increases at a constant rate as the scientist's depth below the surface increases, which of the following linear models best describes the pressure, P, in pounds per square inch at a depth of d feet below the surface? Is the answer A, P equals 0.44 d plus 0.77, B, P equals 0.44 d plus 14.74, C, P equals 2.2 d minus 1.1, D, P equals 2.2 d minus 9.9. The correct answer is B. To determine the linear model, one can first determine the rate at which the pressure due to the atmosphere and surrounding water is increasing as the depth of the diver increases. Calculating this gives you 0.44. Then one needs to determine the pressure due to the atmosphere, or in other words, the pressure when the diver is at a depth of 0. Solving the equation 18.7 equals 0.44 times 9 plus B gives you B equaling 14.74. Therefore, the model that can be used to relate the pressure and the depth is P equals 0.44 D plus 14.74. And there you have your SAT question of the day.
Can't figure out what to eat recently? I'm Adam with Bdtv and your host of Quarantine Cook-Off.
I'm Kara, and I'm making Parmesan pasta.
I'm Tyler, and I'm making grilled cheese. I'm Tim, and I'm making a secret surprise.
3 competitors have 15 minutes to cook a simple meal that anyone can make, and at the end, 2 judges are going to pick the winner. Quarantine Cook-Off starts in
3, 2, 1, go! Out of these 3 dishes, which one do you like the best? This one for sure.
Definitely that one.
Tim is our winner. Remember, winner David, if you're ever feeling hungry, these are 3 great meals that you can whip up at home. I'm Adam.
I'm Tim.
I'm Danny.
I'm Kara.
I'm Tyler.
Stay
safe, Raven.
This week, AP testing begins across the nation online. In case you're unsure of how to log in and take your exams, here's a quick refresher. 2 days before each exam, you'll get an email from College Board. This contains your AP ID and the link to join your exam. 30 minutes before the scheduled exam start time, click the link to enter the waiting room. Here, you enter your AP ID and the rest of your information. When it's time for the test to begin, the questions will appear. Most exams have 2 questions, but only 1 will appear at a time. When you've completed each question, it's time to submit your work. You can submit your work in 3 different ways. First, you can copy and paste your information from one document into the box. Second, you can upload a photo of your handwritten work. Finally, you can attach a file that contains your work. Most exams are 45 minutes long, so make sure you keep good pacing and track of your time. Hopefully now, you're ready to take your exams. Good luck, Winter Haven.
Did you know that almost 10,000 Americans are diagnosed with skin cancer every day? I'm Megan with Bdtv. Let's talk about the sun.
This is a chart showing the UV index and the protection required for each level. Just 5 serious sunburns increase your risk of skin cancer by 80%.
I put on SPF when I'm working in the yard, in my pool, and on the court. This has been Megan with Bdtv. Protect your skin, Winter Haven.
Hey Winter Haven, it's Avery, and I know a lot of us are spending most of our time in our room right now. That's why it's super important to keep our space clean and comfortable. So the first thing that I like to do is make my bed. Then I wipe down all of my dressers and put everything back where it was. The next thing I do is make sure I change out my mothballs water. And then I vacuum my floors. After everything's clean, I like to light a candle and of course burn my incense.
Even though Florida has started to reopen, there's still some precautions that we need to take. I'm Blake with Bdtv, here to show you what materials you'll need to be safe. The first thing you'll need while going out in public is a face mask. Since the virus is airborne, this can prevent the disease from spreading through coughing, sneezing, or breathing. The second thing you'll need while going out in public are napkins and disinfecting wipes. Germs are everywhere. That's why you should use these materials to block or barricade any germs. Face masks and wipes are two very important materials needed to stay safe in public. I'm Blake with Bdtv, and let's stop the spread, Winter Haven.
Since coronavirus started, I've had a lot of free time on my hands. I'm Adam with Bdtv, here to show you how to mow your lawn. See, it wasn't that hard, Winter Haven. I'm Adam with Bdtv, that's how to mow your lawn.
I'm Alexa from Bdtv, here to remind you seniors that grades are due May 13th, so don't give up. Keep up with your schoolwork and make sure if you have any AP exams that you get updates from your teachers. You have less than a week left. I hope you guys stay safe and stay healthy.
Show you incredible things. Reading, knowledge, learn to win. Saw your grades and I thought, oh my gosh, look at that card. Do your work, is that so hard? School's a game, gotta play. Yeah, cell phone off all night. I've got different priorities. Social media on the line. And there's always people to please TikTok. Learn this dance. You gotta give school a chance. Grab your ID and your keys. Education is the goal to make you succeed. You're in charge of your own future. Make some changes, now's the time. I know it feels like forever, but it will be worth the climb. Got a long list of career paths. Everyone's not the same, cause you know we're holding fast. Cause school is our game. Cause we're smart and we're driven. We're reaching for the stars. We're the new generation. We're going